Hello, welcome to class, and today I'll teach you possessive nouns. I hope you remember what a noun is. In case you do not, let me remind you. A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or thing. They are also called naming words. Now let's move on to possessive noun. A possessive noun shows who or what has something. We add the apostrophe s to a noun to make it possessive. For example, the boy's kite. This sentence indicates that the kite belongs to the boy. The girl's balance. It means the balance belongs to the girl. Remember, we add the apostrophe s to make a noun possessive. It shows who an object belongs to. Here are more examples of possessive nouns in sentences. This is Tracy's toy. This is Tom's cat. It means the cat belongs to Tom. It is the old woman's dog. Whose dog is it? The old woman's dog. Correct. Remember that a possessive noun must have an apostrophe. And this is what an apostrophe looks like with the S. For singular noun, apostrophe comes before the S. Now let's look at the apostrophe and how it shows possession. Possession means something belongs to someone. Take note of that definition. This is Sarah. Sarah has a cat. I will use my apostrophe S to say, this is Sarah's cat. This is Sophie, she has some cash. This is Sophie's cash. You get that? This is Joe. Hello, Joe. And Joe has a car. How will you say it? This is Joe's car. Brilliant. Correct. So, here is how to use an apostrophe to show possession. Who does the object belong to? Think about it. Jim, computer. The computer belongs to Jim, so we'd say Jim's computer, adding the apostrophe S. Jim's computer. Okay, you get that? Max burger. Add your apostrophe S. Max's burger. This is my friend. My friend has pizza. This is my friend's pizza. Apostrophe S. This is the dog. The dog has a house. This is the dog's house. When a noun is plural, the apostrophe goes after the S, but if it's singular, it is before the S. Friend's house becomes friend's house. These are my cousins. My cousins have a house. There is my cousin's house. You see the apostrophes after the S. These are the dogs. The dogs have a house. This is the dog's house. A possessive noun shows that a person or animal owns or has something. This is Natasha's skirt. The skirt belongs to who? Natasha. Good. This is Tom's hat. Take note of the apostrophe S. This is Dan's photograph. The photograph belongs to Dan. This is Nikki's cat. The cat belongs to Nikki. These sentences with the apostrophe S indicate who the various objects belong to. Natasha's skirt, Tom's hat, Dan's photograph, and Nikki's cat. Do not forget that. A noun can show what it owns or possesses, as you've seen. Natasha owns a skirt. Tom has a hat. And we add an apostrophe S to a noun to show ownership. A noun that shows ownership or relationship is a possessive noun. Nikki's cat, Dan's photograph. These are possessive noun. More examples. The cat's dishes. The dishes belong to the cat. Take note of the apostrophe and the S. And now, a possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. You can see the cat coming before the dishes. You can see Tom coming before the hat. Tom's hat. It means the hat belongs to Tom. Tom owns the hat. The hat isn't for any other person save for Tom. I want you to really understand that. Remember, we add an S to make a singular noun possessive, e.g. cats, boys, Toms. Okay, the apostrophe S must be there. The witch's broom. It means the broom belongs to the witch. We add only an apostrophe to make a plural noun ending in S possessive. For example, boys becomes like this. The apostrophe goes after the S if it is a plural noun. For example, the witch's broom. Remember, singular is 1, plural is 2. We add an apostrophe S to a plural noun that does not end in S to make it possessive. When it doesn't end in S, we add an apostrophe to the plural noun to make it possessive. The deer's antlers. Deer's means 2. So remember, a possessive noun shows that something belongs to a person or an animal. Thank you so much for watching my video, for paying attention. Please do well to answer the exercises on the assignment icon. Thank you for watching my video. I love you and stay safe. Mwah.